Hello friends and fans, this is the Science Demystifier. I want to use this medium to notify you guys that I will be carrying out a training section this August for people that want to learn how to make detergents. When I say detergents, it has to do with the liquid wash, the powdery, detergents, just like the way you have your clean, your hypo, all those detergents. So I'll be teaching people how to make quality detergents of competitive market value. I'll also be teaching people how to make quality laundry soaps. So the course outline is on the post, which I am going to drop after this video. I'll drop the post here. So for you to get the full details of this training that is coming up this August. The training is going to start from 6th of August. 6th of August is going to run through to the 31st of August. So to contact me, my number is there on the post. My number, whatever you want, information you want to get about this training, please do that in the comment section. Please do well to share this video to people that actually need this training. Now let me let you know that the economy is no longer what it used to be. We all are aware, and all hands really need to be on deck. So on that note, I bring this wonderful opportunity to you. Come 6th to 31st of August for you to get one or two skills to add to yourself. Okay? No knowledge is a waste. Even if you don't need the knowledge, you can learn and teach your children. And even if you don't have time to learn, you can register them for the training. Okay? Imagine if in your house your girl child know how to make all these detergents, soap, and all those domestic products. You spend less, and also you prepare her for the future ahead. Okay? So don't waste this wonderful opportunity that's coming your way. Don't procrastinate, because opportunities like this are rare to find. I will be the one to anchor this program by myself. I am a chemistry tutor, a chemist by profession. So, and I have done a lot of extensive research on how to make all these domestic products. So I will be the one to be teaching these how to manufacture these products. Okay. So if it is the first time you're watching me here on my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, please don't forget to share the video, like and share our videos to people that might need it. Alright, so see you on the agreed date for this training. I'm expecting to hear from you. Thank you and God bless you.